Welcome to Old Mission Park. The proposed work for this project includes adding an approximately 20-foot by 20-foot open-air solid roof shade structure at or near the auxiliary building, as you see here. This will add an additional outdoor amenity to the park that will work in conjunction with the auxiliary building's small meeting room. Possible uses include event coordination, outdoor room classes, or even a parklet situation with dining area. The 20 by 20 proposed structure, well, we actually have two different options for location, but I'll get into that shortly. Let me first give you context of the park itself. So we have the auxiliary building in front of us, and in front of that is the play area. As we scroll to the left, you see the picnic tables at the top of the hill, and as we continue to scroll left, you'll see the second play area. And we'll just come around. We have the entrance to the park itself down there, as well as the parking lot area here. And then we return to the auxiliary building with the basketball courts beyond it. The two locations for the shade structures, the two options, include next to the basketball court itself. So imagine the basketball court as you see it here, and the structure between the fence line as well as the basketball court itself. The second option would be behind where we see the far green door, which actually represents the meeting room for the auxiliary room, in the area where you see shrubbery. So just as context for the auxiliary building, the furthest door from us is the meeting room, middle door is for the maintenance room, and the open door that you see on the right, it would be the restroom area. So that's it for this site.